Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ka jing shakri ka jongka. Baden ais ngo bha sha baro kinong thi thuk thuk. Ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali ki laptop. Kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 pusau.
Kari Bhoi College Lyngba Entrepreneurship Development Center hakalai photre unai lur ajar phosau krapin long igajing ajing kai halo ka seng kam seng jam ka basan sngi kenthi nagabenta ki samla kibla ajing gershan ru da ka sarkar jalla laple ya ka igajing ajing kai du block development officer jong umling CNR di block uba Eric Kevin dekhar belong ku mukongsan ringkat gajing sakhilang jong principal ka college EC Benny kinu hikai bagi samla pule bagi samla ka thamri Bhoi
for different avenues in order to sustain ourselves. So entrepreneurship is one of the platforms that must be explored, and being one of the centers in the state of Meghalaya is something to be very, very proud of. And being here in the Bhoi district, it gives the students, it gives future prospective entrepreneurs a platform to start from. It gives you guidance, it will give you also financial help. So I request not only within these four walls but also take this opportunity to inform others also who might be willing to take up entrepreneurship as an activity, as a financial activity, as an economic activity. So this is again a good platform for each one of us to take. And not only that, I think being partnered by Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship is something very, very big also. So there you will, like I had mentioned, there you will get your guidance and how to go about the process of making yourself into a successful entrepreneur. So again, I thank the principal, I thank all the teachers and the students for calling me here, and I hope that this platform that you have been given will help you to make something out of yourselves. Thank you so much. God bless.
This center, we have received the nomination for this center from a panel of many members which are chosen by Northeastern Council, and we are lucky to be elected as getting membership here as EDC center. Out of the 30 centers in the entire Northeast, Meghalaya has got only 4 centers. One is Railway College Center, chosen by the Northeastern Council. Another in Meghalaya is the Nehru Northeastern Hill University Center. Then there is a government college in Bhoi, I should say, Bhoi. That is Lyngba College. And there is another college, government college, which is in Tura, and Tura Government College. These are the 4 standards allotted by the Northeastern Council for the establishment of EDC. And that's what I'm saying, we are very lucky to have this center, which is in essence will look into the entrepreneurs' aspirations of Lyngba district. Those who aspire to become entrepreneurs in Lyngba district will be catered, they will be serviced by this center in Lyngba College. So that is how this center was established. Now this is in this training we have 3 phases of training. First phase of training is over. We started on the 19th of August. There are a group of 30 students per training, and we have about 90 students trained. 90 plus, we have actually 125 students being trained. Out of that first phase, we have chosen 10 students from each group, each training session. And then now we will have 5 days of training to these 10 selected individuals. From 3 training groups, we will have 30 students. This is the first section of the second phase. We will start from today. And this training will be a tedious one, a proper one, in which all information will be shared, all information will be given to the trainees, and they will be prepared to plan themselves for any upcoming business.